Hello everyone, class 6. Here we will have to discuss on the topic components of food. The chapter number 2 will have to start it, and in this chapter we will discuss about what are the sources of the food, what are the importance of the food, what are the different components in which the food item that can contain a different type of a component, what are these actually. So in this segment we will have to go through about that food items. First of all, what is food? Food is what actually? Food, we can say, it is a material by which we can obtain energy, and this one is very necessary for performing the different activities in our daily life. It is a fuel. Actually, food is a fuel that can provide us energy to perform the different activities. Without the food we cannot survive more, or any organism need food to survive. Why? Because due to this we can obtain the energy, and due to the energy we can perform the different activities. So for the survival of all living being on this earth, there is a food required, or there is a necessity of food. In this segment we will have to discuss what do the different food item contains. What are the different items in the food we can find out? Different food items. What are the different food items contained in a food? फूड के अंदर क्या क्या हो सकते हैं, फूड में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें पाई जा सकती हैं? तो हम सभी जानते हैं फूड के अंदर क्या पाया जाएगा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें पाई जाती हैं. जैसे here we have to see about, there is a carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, fat, and other nutrients. So how these food material is exist in our nature, in which form they can be exist? So they may be exist into the different forms by having or by consuming the different food items. The different food items have the different properties, and in which the different types of either the carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, fat, or etc. are to be present. So in this console we will study about the carbohydrate. First of all, we will discuss on carbohydrate. And the carbohydrates are also a two type. What are these? The simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. So what are the simple carbohydrate and what are the complex carbohydrate? We will know about this, the simple carbohydrate and the complex carbohydrate. So simple carbohydrates are what actually? The simple carbohydrates are those that can be obtained from our daily food materials like wheat, rice, etc., in which these are present. So we can simply, so here we can say carbohydrates are largely present in our daily food in the form of the starch. In case of rice, in case of cereals, pulses, legumes and some other fruits, the carbohydrate present. And what are the simple carbohydrate and what are the complex carbohydrate? So the simple carbohydrate are those such type of a carbohydrate in which we can get instantly the energy, and that can be soluble in water. Soluble in water, that can provide us instant energy. It can provide the instant energy by having such type of meals like milk, in the form of milk that have there are the number of carbohydrate like fructose, lactose, and in case of the other materials like in case of a sugar there is a sucrose, in case of a milk there is a lactose, in case of the fruit materials and other fruit materials in the form of carbohydrate in the form of lactase, lactose, sucrose and fructose. In from the fruits there is a fructose. In the case of a sugar there will be the sucrose. The different type of a carbohydrate. These carbohydrates are present in the form of a starch, in the form of simple carbohydrate. So they can instantly change into the sugar and we get energy from the sugar. So think if there is a energy instantly you have obtained or you have achieved, that means this can be the conversion of carbohydrate into the sugar or starch into the sugar. Then we have to obtain these energy to perform the different activities. So what we can say in case of a simple carbohydrate, the simple carbohydrate are those carbohydrates that can be easily obtained from the food materials or from the food materials, different type of food materials. As we have already told you about, milk can contain the lactic acid and lactase as well. So the lactose present in them by which we can obtain energy. In case of sugar there is a sucrase. In case of fructose there will be present the fruit in the form of a fruits. These simple food items can contain the simple carbohydrate. Now we'll have to move on to the next one, that is the complex carbohydrate. The complex carbohydrate are those carbohydrates that can not easily obtained. That means this could not be instantly obtained. This can be obtained by converging of the complex carbohydrate into the simplex or the simple carbohydrate. That means first of all these starch converted into the sugar and then we can get the energy. So it will take more time to obtain the energy, but in the simple carbohydrate we can obtain the energy very instantly. So what are the different sources of carbohydrate? We know very well in case of cereals, pulses and grains. In case of pulses, cereals and grains, or we can say the roots and stems. So in case of pulses we can obtain what? Different type of pulses like bean, legume, legume, gram. These are the pulses in which we can obtain pea, maize, through which we can obtain pulses in the form of pulses we can obtain the carbohydrate. Next one is what? The cereals. Cereals, that means what? The different type of a food material present in the form of grains like kidney beans and chickpeas. Now the roots and stems of the plants. What are the roots and stems? So those such type of roots that can be uses as a food materials like a potato, sweet potato, beetroot, carrot, and topica. These are the different examples. So these have either the roots and stems by which we can obtain energy. So there are the different types of the sources or the medium by which we can obtain energy in the form of carbohydrate. These are. Now we'll have to move on to the next one, that is what it is. It is a fat. Fat is a very necessary. It can be obtained in a smaller amount, but it is a very essential and very important. Why? Because it can give us what actually? It can also give us the energy as the carbohydrate, but it can provide the slightly energy to our body. So it is another food material which we can give energy, or these energy in the form of, we can say, the energy giving foods. Whatever the fat and carbohydrates, both can give us energy, so they are called as energy giving foods. So from where we can say we can obtain these energy? We can obtain these energy by the different means. There is a number of, so we can say that fat and carbohydrates are both give us energy, so they are called as energy giving food. Now we'll have to move on. What are the importance of fat? What kind of fat provide us? First of all, it can provide protection. It can provide protection. Why? Because if there is a thick layer of a fat, so our body gets stuck or strikes. So in that case, it can absorb these shocks or the strikes from the outer surroundings. As we know that our body have a layer of a fat, so it can insulate the heat. That means heat could not be move outside of the body, or the heat could not be strike through our body. So it can be insulator. It can be used as an insulator. So our heat, the body heat, could be maintained. And in the other cases, it can also provide the protection. As we know that our eyes has a thick layer of